is the PS5. We're gonna unbox it. Here it goes. Here's the machine, some books to set it up. Here it is, guys. Nice. Here's the back. Here it is, guys. So here's the plug for the back, the power supply cable. Let's go. And here is something for the console. And here's the HMI, the high quality for the high picture. Here's the charger for the controller. Here is USB-C cable. Here's the controller, guys, right here. Let me take it out. Wow, so nice. Here's the pad, here's the mute button, here's the home button. Here's all the buttons right here. And then this is the back, this is the charger to plug in, to charge in. Here's the triggers, it's nice. The thumbsticks. And here is the headset mic to plug in if you need one. And there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.
Let's get it.
Here is the PS5.